Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new concept in this chapter 6, Fun with Give and Take. Today we are going to learn about number line. We are going to learn about addition number line. How you can add two numbers using a number line. Okay, so let us start our class today. Before we start on with number line, you need to know what is a number line. Number line is a line where you can place all the numbers. Now, what are all the numbers? Numbers can be positive, numbers can be negative. Since you are very young, now you are only learning about positive numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 that we are learning. There are negative numbers also. That is numbers which have a minus sign in front of them. So we are not going to learn about them. So we are not discussing about it. Just look at it. Here a line is given. Here we have started marking from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. And what does that arrowheads at the end means? Arrowhead means the arrowhead in front of 0 means number line is extending. You all have learned straight line. What is the straight line? A straight line does not have a starting point or a beginning point and an ending point. Similarly, a number line is a straight line which we do not know from where it has started or where it will end. We just take a portion of the number line and we will do our addition here. So here the numbers that we have to add are 7 and 5. So we have drawn a number line till the number, suppose 13. You can draw it till 15 or you can draw it till any number as much as it fits in your copy. Now, how we will add? Now look, you have to add 7. So how can you go to 7? From 0, we are going to 7, method number 1. Look at method number 1. From 1, we are jumping to 7. Now, after 7, how many jumps you need? What is the number that you have to add? 5 you have to add. So, that means after 7, you have to go 5 jumps. So, first jump, after 7, first jump is till 8. Second jump is till 9. Third jump is till 10, fourth jump is till 11 and fifth jump is 12. So after number 7 on the number line, if you take 5 jumps, adding 5 means you have to jump 5 times after 7. So if you jump 5 numbers or 5 steps after the number 7, we reach 12. So our answer is 7 plus 5, 12. Now there is another method. In the first method, we are starting from 0. In the second method, you can start from 7 itself. Write the numbers from 7 onwards. From 7 to any number, 14, 15, 16, 20, any number you can write. But after 7, you have to jump 5 times. That is from 7, we are going to 8, 1 jump. From 8 to 9, second jump. 9 to 10, third jump. 10 to 11, fourth jump, and 11 to 12, fifth jump. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Look here, our second sum. Here you have to add 14 and 4. So now, as we learnt in the previous sum, similarly we can do 2 steps. First one, either you can start from 0. Method 1, first method, start from 0. You have to add 14 and 4. So from 0 go to 14 directly. Right? From 14 now how many jumps you have to take? How many jumps you have to take? You have to take 4 jumps. So from 14 first jump is till 15. Second jump is till 16. Third jump is till 17. Fourth jump is till 18. So 14 plus 4 is 18. Now look here, students. Suppose you have given a map. You don't know how you have to do. You don't know your destination. Your map is, suppose I am giving you a map that if you take 14 steps and then 4 steps, you will get to your destination. Right? So to reach your destination, what you have to do? You have to jump and you have to reach your destination. First you took 14 jumps. Then I told you that if you take 4 more jumps after 14, then you will reach your destination. So from the number 14, if you take 4 jumps, on which number you land up? You land up in the number 18. So this is how you have to do the addition in number line. Now in number line, if when it is asked draw the number line and add, you have to draw this number line. So this was method 1. Now in method 2, again as we have learned in the previous sum, you can start from the number 14 only. So if you start from 14, how many jumps you have to take? 4 more jumps, 14 plus 4. So from 14 you have to take 4 more jumps. That means 4 more steps. So from 14 take first jump till 15, second jump till 16, third jump till 17 and fourth jump till 18. So on 18 our 4 jumps get completed. So 14 plus 4 is 18. Clear? Okay. All this while, students, we have been adding small numbers like 5, 7, 14, 4. But now when we have to add huge numbers like 50, 30, how we will do? It is quite difficult to draw so many numbers like till 100 in your copy. Yeah, first it is time taking, second it will not fit in your copy properly. So in that case, in the number line we will take tens table according to tens table. What do I mean? Like we start from 0, then 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. This is tens table, right? That means in one jump, we are covering 10 steps, like 10 numbers at a time. Clear? So we are first, now let us add method 1. So as we have done previously, in the first sum what you did, you have to add 7 plus 5. So from 0 we move to 7. So now if you have to add 50 plus 30, what we will do? From 0 we are going to 50. From 50 we have to take how many jumps? 30 jumps. So if one jump means 10, then how many jumps we have to do for adding 30? 3 jumps. So from 50 we are going to 60. 10 jumps. From 60 we are going to 70. Again 10 jumps. From 70 we are going to 80. Again 10 jumps. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. So 50 plus 30. Then we are landing into which number? 80. Now method 2. Instead of starting from 0, we are starting from 50. So from 50, if you take 30 jumps, which number we are landing into? 80. Clear? Look very carefully. Here one jump means 10 steps. So 30 jumps means how many times you have to jump? 3 times you have to jump, because one jump means 10 steps. So 30 steps means you have to take 3 jumps. Clear? So our answer is 50 plus 30, 80. Look here. Here you have to add 45 plus 32. So how can we add 45 and 32? Again, look here. Now here, as in the previous sum, I taught you that when you have to add large numbers, what you have to do? Instead of counting one number at a time, we will count 10 numbers at a time. So now let us just go back, students. When we have done the previous chapter, you have done like completing the series. So 45, 55, 65, you have completed like this, right? You had to complete the pattern. If 45, 55, 65 and a dash is given, the next number will be 75. So like that only, here you have to add 45. After 45, we have to add 32. So how can we do it? Now here, instead of tens table, now look here how we are drawing the number line. We are writing 45. We are adding 10 to 45. Each time we will add 10 to the previous number and we will move in the number line. So 45 plus 10, 55, 55 plus 10, 65, 65 plus 10, 75. So how many tens we have added? 3 tens, that means 30. For 45 we have to add 32. 32 means 3 tens are 32. So we have added 3 tens and we have landed into 75. After 30 plus 2, 32. So from 75, we have to take 2 more jumps. So 77, 76, 77. So this is our answer. Our answer is 77. I am explaining it again. Listen very nicely. 45, with 45 we have to add 32. That means after the number 45 you have to take 32 jumps and you have to land up to your number. Suppose 45 is your station. Okay. After you jump from the station 45, if you take 32 jumps, you will reach another station. So you have to find out which station you will reach when you take 32 jumps from 45. So what we will do? 32 means 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2 means 30 means 3 tens are 30. So from 40 we are taking 10 steps at a time. So 45 plus 10, 55. 55 plus 10, 65, 65 plus 10, 75, and after 75, 30 completed, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, plus 2, 76, 77. So 45 plus 30, 7. Okay, look at our fifth sum. Here you have to add 27 plus 42 using number line. So again, let me say 27, suppose 27 is your station. Now after 27, if you take 42 steps, you will reach your destination. So from 27, you have to find out your destination after taking 42 steps. So again, now let us expand 42. We have done expanded number. 42 means 40 plus 2. Okay, 40 means 4 tens are 40. Clear? So now again, like the previous sum number 4, we will again take 10 jumps at a time. So now let us start from 27. So 27 plus 42, that means we will take how many 10 steps we have to take? We have to take 4 10 steps and 2 steps. So we will reach 42 steps. So 27, from 27 plus 10, 37. 37 plus 10, 47. 47 plus 10, 57. 57 plus 10, 67. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. Now from 67 we have to take 2 more steps. From 67, 68, 68, 69. So 27 plus 42 is 69. Easy? Very easy. Just concentrate. It is really easy and it is very fun drawing numbers on a number line. Now here you have to add 55 and 22. Suppose 55 is your station. If you take 22 steps, you will reach your destination. So how can we add? Again from 55, 22. Now first do it that in the manner as we did our previous sum 22. If we expand, how much we will get? 20 plus 2. That means from 50, if you take 20 and 2 more steps, then we will reach our destination. So now let us take 10 jumps each time from 55. So 55 plus 10, 65, 65 plus 10, 75, 75 plus 10, 85, 85 plus 10, 95. So we have drawn the number line. Now 22, again I am saying 22 means 20 plus 2. So 55, from 55 if we add 10, we will land up to 65. 65 plus 10, 75. 75, from 75 we have to take 2 more steps because 10 plus 10 20. We have to add how much? 22. So 20 plus 2. So from 75 if you take 2 more steps, that is from 75 to 76, 76 to 77. 76 is our destination. So 55 plus 22 gives you 77. Clear? Okay, these are the two sums that I am leaving behind for you. Do the addition and tell me the answers. Okay, go through the questions, do the addition and tell me the answer. Do the addition using number line. This is not simple addition. You have to do the addition using number line. Okay. Thank you for taking this class. If you have any problem, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, go through the video once again. It is pretty simple. I hope none of you will have any problem. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.